Hey there, future business moguls. Ready to dive into the thrilling world of business structures? Don't snooze just yet. This can make or break your startup journey. Today we're discussing limited liability companies, commonly known as LLCs and C corporations. Let's get going. But first, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can always receive information designed to help your new business succeed by saving time and money. All right, let's talk about LLCs. The beauty of an LLC is in its simplicity. An LLC offers liability protection. This means your personal assets, like your home or car, are safe if your business faces debts or lawsuits. Easy to set up and more flexible than a corporation. It's a favorite for many small businesses and solo entrepreneurs. Now, a mind-blowing stat. Did you know, according to the Small Business Administration, that the number of small businesses registered as LLCs has increased by over 30% in the last 10 years? It's clear LLCs are gaining popularity. But what about taxes? Here's the magic of an LLC pass-through entity. All the profits and losses go directly to the owners, and they report it on their personal tax returns. Say goodbye to double taxation. Switching gears, let's talk about C corporations. If you are dreaming big and think of going public someday, or want to attract investors, a C Corp might be your ticket. It's a separate legal entity. This means, just like LLCs, your personal assets are protected. Did you know that according to the Internal Revenue Service, C corporations make up less than 20% of all business entities, yet they are responsible for over 60% of all business revenue? That's the power of C Corp. But there's a catch. C Corp face double taxation. First, the corporation pays taxes on its profits. Then, when dividends are distributed, shareholders pay taxes again on their personal returns. It's a bit like paying for your coffee, then tipping twice. Ouch. However, C Corps have benefits too. They can issue stock, making them attractive to investors. They have a clearer structure with directors, officers, and shareholders. Plus, there's no limit to the number of shareholders you can have. In the red corner, the flexible and friendly LLC. In the blue corner, the powerhouse C Corp, loved by investors and big businesses. Which one should you choose? It all boils down to your business goals, tax preferences, and growth plans. Remember, you are not locked in for life. Many startups begin as LLCs and later transition to C Corp as they grow. For help registering either entity, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what's your opinion? Are you leaning towards an LLC or C Corp? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with tips and tricks to grow your business to maximum profitability.